In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a membership site on Bluehost. Whether you're planning to offer premium content, online courses, or a private community, having a dedicated membership site makes everything feel more professional and easier to manage. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the Bluehost dashboard to having the basic structure of your membership site ready to customize. Let's start right inside your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your websites and hosting. From here, look for the option labeled Add Site. It's usually easy to spot, often near your existing sites or in a section where you manage your websites. Go ahead and click Add Site. This tells Bluehost you want to create a new website, and it will launch a guided setup process for you. As soon as you do that, a setup wizard will open. This wizard is designed to streamline the process so you don't have to manually configure everything from scratch. One of the first questions it will ask is what type of site you want to create. When you see the list of categories, choose the option labeled Membership Website. This is important because selecting the correct category helps Bluehost automatically tailor the configuration to match what a membership site typically needs. By specifying that you're building a membership website, you're essentially telling the system to prepare for things like user logins, restricted content, and member management. You won't have to go hunting for all the right tools later because the setup wizard uses this choice to pre-configure a lot of the essentials behind the scenes. After you've chosen the membership category, the WonderStart system steps in to do some of the heavy lifting for you. WonderStart is Bluehost's guided setup experience, and one of its main jobs is to install the right theme and layout elements so your site is both fast and visually coherent. WonderStart will automatically install a performance-optimized theme called Wonder Theme. This theme is designed to work well with Bluehost's environment and is tuned for speed, which is especially important for membership sites where users log in frequently and navigate through restricted content. You won't have to browse through hundreds of themes or worry about compatibility because Wonder Theme is ready to go as soon as it's installed. On top of that, WonderStart will suggest specific pre-designed Wonder blocks to use on your new site. In particular, it will offer layouts for a pricing table and a member login area. These are two core components of almost every membership website. The pricing table block gives you a clean, structured way to present your membership tiers, features, and prices so visitors can quickly compare options and decide which plan fits them best. The member login block provides a polished, user-friendly place for your existing members to sign in and access their content. At this stage, all you need to do is accept or apply these suggested Wonder blocks. Later, you can customize the text, colors, and layout to match your brand, but for now, the key is that the structure is already in place. Instead of starting from a blank page, you'll have a functional, visually consistent membership layout the moment the setup is complete, and that's the basic process. By clicking Add Site, choosing Membership Website, and letting WonderStart install Wonder Theme and the recommended Wonder blocks for your pricing and login areas, you've laid a solid foundation for your membership site on Bluehost. From here, you can focus on customizing your content, adjusting your design, and adding whatever tools you need to support your members.